In our material, we have pointed out that the end times beast is the new version of the pagan Roman Empire. This end times beast is manifested politically in the godless European Union. It is led spiritually by apostate Rome under the Vatican II antipopes and the Vatican II counterchurch. The European Union is the political dimension of the end times beast. The European Union fulfills the prophecies about the beast in many ways, such as having come into existence during the reign of the sixth Roman king, the sixth king of the Vatican city-state when 5 were fallen, its connection to the end times whore of Babylon, and much more, as our material covers. Indeed, St. John's description of the woman on the beast precisely matches the description of the woman Europa from Greek mythology, a symbol officially used by the European Union. That's because his prophecy is about what happens in Europe politically and spiritually in the final days. We have covered this in detail in our videos, and on February 8, 2017, we were interviewed on a national radio program, the largest overnight radio program in North America. During this interview, we stated that the European Union is the prophesied end times beast. The de facto capital of the European Union, its center of political authority, is located in Brussels, Belgium. It's interesting that on the day after our interview, February 9, 2017, Brussels was hit with a major power failure that, according to headlines viewed across the world, plunged the city into darkness. Quote, Brussels is plunged into darkness as EU capital is hit by massive power cut. Brussels blackout. Panic strikes EU capital after power failure leaves city in darkness. Blackout Brussels. Plunged into darkness. Brussels plunged into darkness. Security alert in Brussels after massive blackout plunges entire center of EU capital into darkness. Now, here's what we read in Revelation 16:10. Quote, And the fifth angel poured out his bowl on the throne of the beast, and its kingdom was plunged into darkness. End quote. So, if the beast is the European Union, as we have been saying, that means that its throne, or center of political power, is in Brussels, the capital of the European Union. Revelation 16:10 tells us that the bowl is poured out on the throne of the beast, with the result that its kingdom is plunged into darkness. Do we believe that this is just a coincidence? No. The European Union is the end times beast, as we have been saying. In fact, the word for kingdom in the Greek of Revelation 16:10 is basileia. It is sometimes defined as the realm in which a king sovereignly rules, or the rule over someone or something. So, the throne of the beast being struck, and its basileia being plunged into darkness, can refer to the realm where the beast rules being plunged into darkness. It's also noteworthy that many, if not most, English translations of Revelation 16:10 use the verb plunged, and we see that various headlines use the same verb to describe what happened in the capital of the European Union.